All right, everyone, for the final vlog or video that whatever you want to call it, for this channel, I'm going to be just quick glancing over the TriCaster system that we have here. For our class, we personally didn't use it because we found it easier to just record on the camera and then splice it all together. But if your class decides, hey, it's better for recording, that's completely up to you. I've also been told that there will be a new camera coming to the classroom for the 2022 year. So I'm just gonna quick go over it in case anyone needs to know anything about it. So, starting with the cameras in the room. Each camera has a cord. Some are different colors. There's 2 red ones and I believe 2 black ones. Each of them are labeled with what camera they go to. This one says Cam 3, and they're the one in the camera videos I went over. They're the ones that twist and pull out. And in the case of this camera, it is just the aux cord looking thing. But each cord runs into this room, and I will show you what's in this room. So in this room, we have the TriCaster system, which composes of the control board, the computer, keyboard, mouse, monitors, and so on. Here's the soundboard. The switch to turn it on is back here, right under the 15. That turns on your soundboard. If you guys need to use that, come next year, since we really didn't tinker with it that much, so we really don't know how stuff works. I found out that you can switch between different cameras by pushing this button. Now we're looking at camera 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, so that's so you can switch between cameras. You can also do smooth transitions. So from camera 1 to camera 2, you push this thing up, smooth transition, just like that. There's a way to load graphics. I believe the instructor knows how to. I can't show you because I don't know how to, but all of the live video from here, whatever would be recorded, does go to this DVD player right here. And if you turn this DVD player on, it goes to both this monitor and the one in there. You just have to turn everything on. It's all turned off. I showed you how to use the Portacom headsets. This is the main one that I talked about. This one communicates with everyone standing at cameras in there. There's a wireless microphone here that's connected to the board to record with the TriCaster. This is how you turn on the speakers. But that's basically it. We really didn't use this, so I don't have that much information on it. But I believe the instructor does know how to use it, so you can just ask them if you have any questions.
Just let me fall to my